Hey man, consistent drill is in the building. What's good with y'all young entrepreneurs? It's Drill here coming at you with another video today. And in today's video, I'm excited to share this with you guys because anybody can do this method, and it's for YouTube as well. Because I know y'all been asking me about YouTube, how to make money on YouTube. So I'm coming at you with a YouTube strategy. And if you're new to this channel, subscribe, man, because this channel is all about how to make money online, how to make money on Clickbank, and all of that good stuff. So subscribe if you're new and leave a like on this video if you find it useful. But we're going to get right into this video, man. So as you can see, I'm already in my Clickbank account. Let me go to my dashboard real quick so you guys can see that I actually make money on Clickbank, because I know a lot of gurus or whatever you call them show you how to make money on Clickbank, but they never show you inside their accounts to show you that they're actually making money themselves. So as you can see, I'm in my account. I'm gonna refresh the page. All right, and I'll refresh it one more time just in case. All right, so as you can see, everything is the exact same, and I made over like $3,000 in the last 2 weeks. So that just goes to show you that I know what I'm talking about. But we're gonna go over the marketplace, and we're gonna be using um e-business and e-marketing products for this video because we're already in the make money online niche. We're already in affiliate marketing, so why not promote those products because we know the most about them. All right, so we're gonna go to e-business, and I always search by gravity when you're trying to find the best products to promote for Clickbank. All right, we're gonna search by gravity. All right, so the two products I recommend you promoting is affiliate bots and Clickbank passive income. So both of these programs help you become a better affiliate marketer, help you become better at Clickbank. So why not promote these programs? Why not join them, learn from them, and then turn around and promote them? So it's a win-win for you. So first, we're gonna do click affiliate bots. So affiliate bots, we're gonna do review videos on YouTube. And before you do the review video, I want you to download vidIQ. So vidIQ is completely free. It's a Chrome extension, so it's completely free. And I'm gonna show you guys what it does in a minute. So it's extremely helpful. I already typed up affiliate bots review. So as you can see on the side, vidIQ, it shows you like the search results and everything along with it. So it shows you everything, the competition score, the search volume. So I'm gonna just click on one of the videos. It's gonna show you the tags on the video as well, so you can get it to rank and everything. So we're gonna just click on the top one right here. And as you can see, this video has 5,000 views and it's only been a month. So imagine if you do that in a month from now, you have 5,000 views. You know at least one person bought that program, and they're typing up affiliate bots review as well. So they're qualified customers, they're ready to buy the program. They're looking up a review for it. Like, imagine you looking up a review for a program. You know you're ready to buy it because you're looking up a review for it. So that on the side, vidIQ is showing you everything about the YouTube video, the vidIQ score, the views per hour. It's just showing you everything that you really need to rank the video. And here goes the tags that they have on the video. It shows you even the tags that they put. So you can copy these same tags to get your video to rank as well. So they have affiliate bots review. They're ranking #1 for that. Affiliate bots reviews, affiliate bots. So you can do the exact same thing. Join a program though. I recommend that you join a program so you can know the ins and outs of it, so you can show the everything about the program. Like, you can make a review video with this your affiliate link, but you won't really know what you're talking about completely. And you can't really, if you watch a video with someone showing the inside of the program, the ins and outs, versus someone just talking about the program and the results that they claim they had, which one are you going to buy from? You're most likely going to buy from the person that's actually showing you inside the program. So I recommend that you join the program yourself and learn from it, especially if you're a complete beginner. These programs will help you. And I'll leave a link for them down below. If you do join it, I'll get a commission for it. But if you don't want to join under my link, you can just go on Clickbank and just join it yourself so you can start promoting it. So it really doesn't matter to me. Alright, so that's affiliate boss review, and you can do the same thing with Clickbank passive income. Clickbank passive income 5.0 review. So we're going to do the same exact thing. You're going to make a review, you're going to join a program, gather all the information from it, learn from it, and then you're going to turn around and make a review from it and get your money back from the program. So this is the top one. Well, we're going to do this one because this one got more views so you can see the better tags. You see, even he bought the program. It says inside members areas. So that's why I'm telling you to actually join the program. Don't just make a review from it without joining it. Let me pause this video. Chill. 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 He's still talking. Alright, there you go. This man did not want to stop talking. Alright. So we're going to see the tags. Look at all the tags he put. You can copy these tags, put them in your video as well, and just start to rank for them. He's not even ranking for any of these tags actually. Well, no, here you go. Yeah, you can copy all of these tags and put them in your video as well, and just make a video reviewing the program. But these programs actually will help you out. Like, I joined Clickbank Passive Income like a year ago, and it helped me out to make some sales with Clickbank. But I haven't been in it since then. I just moved on. Like, I became better at Clickbank, so I just didn't really need it anymore. But both of them programs will help you out to make more sales and to help you with affiliate marketing. So you might as well join it, learn from it, and then turn around and promote it yourself with these YouTube videos. But you don't necessarily have to join it. I just recommend it so you can actually show inside the members area and you can actually know what you're talking about fully. But that's all I have for today's video. If you found it useful, leave a like, comment down below any questions you have, and I'm out, bruh.